so excited to be making Crab Rangoon. Can I just tell you, it ain't a Thai dish. It's not a Chinese dish because they don't use cream cheese. So it's actually been Americanized, imagine that. But it's such a big hit, people love it. So you're going to need about a cup of crab meat. Mine's fresh caught, as always, because you know that's just how I roll. Then you're going to need some cream cheese, okay? You will need some Worcestershire. Someone teach me how to say it. I have such a hard time with it. And then you want some garlic and onion powder, lemongrass, some ginger, and a lime, okay? And guys, and of course, you're going to need some wontons. And we're going to put it all together. And if you haven't seen how I fold my dumplings, don't, because it's actually pretty scary. But I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you how we put all the things together with the crab meat. And guys, you're going to love it. It tastes so freaking good. My ginger, and I cut up my lemongrass. And guys, I don't know if you know, but if you save like about an inch of it and it still has this root part to it, stick it in some water and then it'll actually sprout, and put it in your backyard. They're so hardy and you can grow them all year long. Next thing you're going to need is a lime, the zest of a lime. And I don't know if you guys know how to zest a lime, but I'm going to show you the proper way. You go along, yeah, along, not like this, just like that. Yeah, okay? That's all you have to do. All right, guys, so once you put it in here, add your Worcestershire sauce right in there. Kind of give it, oh my God, I'm almost out. What? It's okay. I'll add more later. So anyways, you're going to do this and you're going to blend it. It just makes it so much easier when you do it this way. Just letting you know. There you go. All right. So now you have your cream cheese in here, okay? And you're going to scoop out that little hot mess that you just made. See, I don't come prepared because I'm cooking like 10 meals today. Who knows why? No. So you guys can enjoy them, actually. This is not what you use to scoop this out. Like, that is a major blooper. Oh, good gracious. All right. Right one, right one. Yeah. Should have stuck to the wooden spoon. What was I thinking? Go. And honestly, you could have added garlic in there if you wanted to, but that right there alone has enough flavor. And then you want some salt. Well, that's garlic powder, that's not salt. You want onion powder, and then you want your meat. And you want to mix this first before you add that meat, all right? That way you get all those spices mixed up in there. Oh my God, this is going to taste so good. I can't wait. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Y'all know I love to play around, right? All right, so we're going to add our cheese. This is not cheese. This is actually crab meat. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Good gracious. But yeah, all right. We're going to mix it up. And we'll come back, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to put them together. All right, guys. Hi, guys. I'm back. Are you ready? Look. Look at that. I know it looks so good. You know what? Add a little bit of Old Bay in there. Yeah. It won't make it quite, whatchamacallit, Thai per se. But you're going to need at least half a tablespoon. We're going to try half a tablespoon, but I'm going to tell you it might be too much. Usually I would try a teaspoon, but we'll give it a shot and see. And I'll actually do a close-up for you guys so you can actually see what it looks like. I know it's going to be so good because once we're done with this, oh my God, guys, that crab meat. It's like having that hot crab dip, right? So, with this, because I actually bought the wrong kind, I'm folding from the edges like this and just tucking it in. Just like that. Ooh, this one's a little dry. Maybe because I left it sitting out. I don't know. That looks pretty rough. Let's try again. Not like it ain't gonna be cooked though, because I'm gonna eat it. Look at that hot mess. Alright, let's try another one. What is with me? Actually, that was a pretty good size, wasn't it? So it wasn't too bad. I think I'd still go for, I don't know, a teaspoon. That was half a tablespoon. I'm losing my voice. Why? Don't know. But look, so you pinch at the top there together. You push in the corner, okay? You push in the corner like that. And then you're going to line them up just like this. They're sticking to my hands today. But anyways, guys, I'm going to finish up. I'm going to show you how to really do them. And then we'll come back and cook them up because they're going to go in the pan with about 1 inch of oil. And then they're going to go in the oven. Look at honey.
It's about to go down.
Yep, we got crab meat galore, fried, everything. And you're dipping that in that cream of crab soup, right?
Yeah, your Crab Rangoon.
Crab soup! Hey, wait. Well, that's a good idea.
Oh.
What?
Mm.
Let me try.
What are you doing touching my food?
That don't taste good with that. That's an egg roll.